this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer corn on the cob. It's super easy to make and comes out so sweet, crisp, and delicious. You'll never make it any other way again. For the ingredients, you'll need corn on the cob, salt, and softened butter. Start by preheating the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 12 minutes. Next, brush the outside of the corn on the cob with some butter on all sides. Once the air fryer is preheated, go ahead and add the corn on the cob in a single layer. Next, you want to air fry for about 12 minutes and be sure to check halfway through. Once the corn is done, go ahead and remove it from the air fryer and brush some additional butter on. Add some salt, and there you go, delicious air fryer corn on the cob. Thanks for watching.